why is my mattress squeaking and not in a fun way? It may be you, also not the case in this situation. Well, here's the thing, it may not be your mattress that's making noise. When you get in and out of bed or even just move around at night, you notice your bed's making a lot of noise. First thing I want you to do is check the box spring or the frame it's on. See if there are any parts that are not evenly aligned with the others, like a coil that's sticking out or parts that are dipping down. If that's the case, your mattress is trying to compensate for a lack of even weight distribution, hence the noise. On the other hand, if your frame's not the issue, it may be that your mattress is breaking down internally or just doesn't have the cushioning to offset this noise. Traditional innerspring coils tend to creak when compressed, and the lack of memory foam means you're just going to hear it loud and clear. All to say, if your mattress is keeping you up, it's time to replace that too. For more mattress reviews and sleep tips, head to sleepadvisor.org and follow us for more.